Recording in progress.
Hi guys, good evening. You are getting my screen and voice. Please confirm in chat box. Fine guys. Thanks for confirmation. So in yesterday's session, we have seen some commands guys. What commands we have seen? mkdir we have seen. cd change directory we have seen. Right. See here cd dot dot cd dot dot slash dot dot. Right. cd cd dir name slash dir name. Right. We have seen. Next ls command we have seen. ls-l command we have seen. ls-lt command we have seen. ls-lr command we have seen. At ls-ltr command we have seen. ls-ltr command we have seen. At cat command we have seen. Cat file name. At here cat file name, cat file name, right, cat commands, all these things we have seen in yesterday's session guys, right? So you guys are practiced all these commands. Good evening Ganesh. So you guys are practiced all these commands guys. In yesterday's session all these commands we discussed. All these commands we discussed in last session. Fine guys, yesterday we have seen cat command guys, and we have seen cat command. First let me connect with my mission. Let me connect with my mission guys. See guys, here Linux mission I have started this Linux mission. Let me connect with this Linux mission. Go to git bash. Let me take this ssh command. So now I have connected with this mission guys. I have connected with this mission. Right now currently where we are in guys, what is the present working directory? pwd guys. Currently we are in ec2-user. Right, yesterday we discussed the rm command also, right? Remove command, right? Remove empty directory, rmdir, right? dir name, dir name. Next remove non-empty directory guys, rm -r recursively, here dir name, right? Remove command also we discussed. Removing directories also we discussed in last session, right guys? Now here let me check what files are available in this location, right? ls space -l, it will list out the files which are available in the present working directory, right? Now if you go to f10.txt, if you want to print the data which is available inside the file, what is the command? Cat, right, file name f10.txt. See guys, this is the data which is available inside that file. This is the data which is available inside the file guys. When we are using this cat file name, how it is printing guys? How it is printing? It is printing right, top to bottom, everything is printing like this guys. But now I want to reverse order, right? I want to get bottom to top first. I want to get in reverse order. If you want to get in reverse order, what is the command we need to use? If you use cat file name, inside the file whatever the content is there, you are getting that content from top to bottom. Right now I want to get the data in bottom to top guys. Reverse order I want to get the data. How you will get the data in reverse order? How you will get the data in reverse order, guys? Simple, guys. Right here, to get from top to bottom, which command we used, guys? Cat command we used. Now, to get in reverse order, reverse the cat. Tag command. Tag command we need to use tag file name f10.txt. Cat f10.txt means, right, you will get from top to bottom. Right here I am reversing. Tag f10.txt. Here how you will get? See, guys. See, earlier Tomcat is the last position. Now we are getting Tomcat first. Next is Kubernetes. See, earlier, welcome to Spring Boot, welcome to DevOps, welcome to Linux, welcome to Unix. These are the first position. When you use cat, see, if I use cat command, f10.txt, see how you are getting? Cat command. Here I am using cat f10.txt. How you are getting? This is what you are getting. If you use a tag, you will get in reverse order. You will get in reverse order, guys. Guys, one more thing, guys. Right here, by using head command also, right, to get from top to bottom, we can use head command also, guys. Instead of cat, we can use head command also. Right. So why we have that? Guys? Why we have two names for same thing? For same activity, why we have two names? For same activity, why we have two names, guys? Why we have two names? Kalyan, some people are not able to join. Please check once. I just ask him to rejoin once again. Otherwise, see, guys, here instead of cat, we can use head also to get from top to bottom. For same activity, why we have two different names? Why we have two different commands for same activity? What is the difference between cat and head? When we use cat command, you will get complete data whatever we have inside the file from top to bottom. When we use cat command, we will get the complete data whatever we have inside the file from top to bottom. Right? Instead of cat, if you use head command, what it will print? You will get from top to bottom only. But you won't get complete data. You will get only first 10 lines only. By default, you will get first 10 get complete data also. For that, we need to add some options, guys. But by default, head commands only. Head command will print first 10 lines of the file, guys. Everything it will print from top to bottom. If you go with head, by default, it will print first 10 lines of the file only. Let me check it, guys. Let's see here. First 10 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to Ansible. Up to Ansible means first 10 lines. See what we will get now. Here I am going to use head command. Head f10.txt. Head f10.txt. What you are getting, guys? Here I am using f10.txt. When you use head command, what you are getting? Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First 10 lines of the file only you will get when we use the head command. When we use the cat command, you will get complete data. Whatever the data is available inside the file, everything you will get from top to bottom. When we use head command, you will get first 10 lines of the file only. First 10 lines of the file only you will get when we use the head command. Is it clear, guys? What is the difference between head and cat? Clear? Okay, guys. By using head command, right, instead of 10 lines, by default it is printing 10 lines. But instead of that 10 lines, I want to print some specific number of lines. Some specific number of lines. Only 5 lines I want. Only 5 lines I want, or else I want to print 15 lines. Right? By default, head will print only 10 lines, but I want to print 15 lines, or I want to print only 5 lines. How we can able to print by using head command? How we can able to print by using head command, guys? See here, head. See, guys, head. How many number of lines you want, guys? Tell me. I want to print only 5 lines. For that, here head space -n. -n stands for number of lines. How many number of lines you want to print? I want to print 5 lines. 5 lines in f10.txt file. Right, from this f10.txt file, I want to print only 5 lines. -n stands for number of lines. Head number of lines 5 I want to print from f10.txt. See guys, you are getting only first 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only you are getting. Right, I want to print 15 lines. 15 lines here, just take 15. Just take 15, it will print 15 lines. Up to Nexus it is printing. 15 lines you will get guys. By default, head command will print first 10 lines of the file only. If you want to print some specific number of lines, then we need to take -n. -n we need to take. -n stands for number of lines. -n space how many number of lines you want to print, that number we need to take it here. Understood guys? Okay, fine guys, very good. See guys, now same in reverse order guys. Same in reverse order. Right, if I use reverse order, tail command we need to use. Tail command we need to use guys. What tail will do guys? Tail f10.txt. f10.txt. See guys, what it is printing? It will print the last 10 lines. It will print last 10 lines guys. See from where it is printing, after right, Maven, Sonar, right, Jenkins, Ansible, Terraform, Docker. See guys, if I use head command, if I use cat command, cat f10.txt, f10.txt. Right, see guys, last 10 lines means what? Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From Maven till the last total 10 lines are there. See here, when you use tail command, what it is printing? From Maven till the last it is printing. Understood guys? Right, tail command also by default it will print the last 10 lines guys. Head command will print right first 10 lines. By default head command will print first 10 lines. Tail command by default it will print last 10 lines. Last 10 lines. Right, for head command, how we are taking -n option, same way we can take for tail command also. For head command, how we are printing specific number of lines by using head command. Same way, by using tail command also we can print the specific number of lines. How you will print that guys? Same, here also we need to use tail space -n. See guys, here tail space -n. I want to print the last 15 lines. I want to print last 15 lines. 15 at f10.txt. f10.txt. See guys, earlier it prints from Maven to last line. Now, right, 5 more extra lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 15 lines it is printing. Last 15 lines it is printing guys. Head means first, from beginning it will print. Tail means from last it will print guys. Is it clear? How head command, what is the difference between cat command, head command, tail command? Is it clear? Is this clear guys? Head command, tail command, cat command, difference is clear? Very good. Very good guys. Now observe carefully. Inside the file we have written multiple lines guys. See, cat f10.txt. How many lines are there? How many words are there? How many characters are there? Can anyone tell? Can anyone tell how many lines we have? Right, more than 15 lines are available. Right, 16 to 17, 16 lines are something available. How many words are available? How many characters are available? I want to print that information. I want to print that information. Total number of lines, total number of words, total number of characters. I want to print that information. How you can print that information? How you can print that information? Which command we need to use? WC command. WC word count. WC file name. f10.txt. WC stands for word count guys. It will print total number of lines, total number of words, total number of characters, everything it will print. See guys, see in this f10.txt file, total 16 lines are available. Right, 34 words are available. 223 characters are available. See guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 lines are available. 34 words are available. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up to here 10 words only. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, right? 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, something. Total 34. Somewhere I have missed. See, here. Here we have 2 words, right? Here we have 2 words. Here we have 2 words. Total 34 words are available. Total 223 characters are available. Don't worry, I am not counting the characters. See guys, inside the f10.txt file, 16 lines are available, 34 words are available, 223 characters are available. How you will get that information? By using WC command. WC stands for what? Word count. WC stands for word count. By using this word count, we can print how many number of lines are available in the file. How many number of words are available in the file? How many number of characters are available in the file? Everything we can print by using WC. Is it clear, guys? Let me add these points in our notes. Right. To print the data from top to bottom, print the data from top to bottom, we are using cat command. We are using cat command. What we are using is cat command we are using. How we are writing? Cat f10.txt. What this command will do? This command will print all the data, right, from top to bottom, everything it will print, guys. Right here, instead of, right, whatever the file name you will take, give that file name only. Give that file name only, guys. This is the file name which I am taking. Okay. Now, to print the data from bottom to top, right, what command we need to use? Tag command. To print the data from bottom to top, which command we need to use? $tag command. Tag command we need to use file name. Tag file name command we need to use it here. Tag command we need to use it here, guys. Okay, right, guys. Now here head command, guys. What is the purpose of head command? By using head command, we can print the data from top to the bottom. By using below command also, otherwise by using head command also, right, we can print the data, we can print the data from top to bottom. By using head command also, we can print the data from top to bottom. Right. See, guys, how to use that head command, guys? $head file name. File name we need to give. Here just one note I am giving. What note I am giving? Head command will print first 10 lines only. By default, head command will print first 10 lines of the file only. By default, head command will print first 10 lines of the file only. By default, head command will print first 10 lines of the file only. Right? If you want to print specific number of lines from top to bottom, and from top, I want to print specific number of lines. If you want to print specific number of lines from top, what is the command we need to give? To print specific number of lines from top? Head -n. Right here, I want to print 25 number of lines. 25 lines I want to print. Here, file name we need to give. It here. Right, head space hyphen n, number of lines. How many number of lines you want to print? That number space file name we need to give. Right, same guys. If you want to print last 10 lines, to print last 10 lines, to print last 10 lines from the bottom, last 10 lines guys, to print last 10 lines of the file guys, last 10 lines of the file, to print last 10 lines of the file. What is the command we need to use? Tail command. Tail command we need to use. Tail file name. Tail file name we need to use. Here also I am going to add one note. What note I am adding? That by default tail command will print last 10 lines of the file only. By default tail command will print last 10 lines of the file only. Last 10 lines of the file only. By default tail command will print last 10 lines of the file only. Right? Suppose if you want to print last 20 lines, to print last 20 lines, what is the command which we need to use? Guys? Tail -n 20, tail -n 20 file name. 20 file name guys. Tail -n 20 file name we need to use. Tail -n, last 20 lines it will print guys. Last 20 lines it will print. Right, next, to print total number of lines, to print total number of lines, right, total number of words, total number of characters, What is the command we need to use? WC command, word count. WC file name. WC file name we need to use. It will print total number of lines, total number of words, total number of characters, everything it will print here. Is it clear guys? Just go through these notes once. Just to go through this, what we have practiced today. Please go through these things. Clear guys? Up to here clear? Now we are going to discuss very important command guys. Very important command. Frequently used command. In real time, in the company's frequently used command guys. This is interview point of view also. This command is very important guys. What is that command? Grep command. Grep command is very important. Right. What is grep stands for? Anyone have idea? What is grep stands for? What is grep stands for guys? grep stands for global regular expression print. Global regular expression print. grep stands for global regular expression print, guys. Right. So by using this grep, what we can do? By using grep command, we can find the data in the file. By using grep command, we can find the data. And here we are going to give some data. We are going to give some regular expression. That the data is where that data is available inside the file. We can find by using grep command. By using grep command, we can find the data in the file. We can find the data in the file. By using grep command, we can find the data. We can find the data in the file. We can find the data in the file. Right. See, guys, this is the syntax, guys. This is the syntax we need to use. Right. Grep. Here some word we need to give. And here file name we need to give. Right. In the given file where this word is available, this grep command will identify. Grep command will find, right, where this word is available in the file. Right, where this word is available in the file, and it will print that complete line, guys. It will print that complete line. Right, it will mark this word, whatever the word you are searching, it will mark that word with some color, guys. Right, grep command is going to print the complete line, right, in where this word is available. Where this word is available, that complete line it will print. Okay, guys. And one more thing, this grep command is case sensitive command, guys. Grep command is a case sensitive command. Grep command is a case sensitive command. Right, I want to ignore the case sensitive. I want to ignore the case sensitive. I don't want that case. How we can able to do? To ignore the case, what we need to use, guys? To ignore the case sensitive, we need to use grep -i. -i stands for ignore case. -i stands for ignore case. This word we need to give, and the file name we need to give like this. It's same command, guys. Before that word we need to put -i. -i stands for ignore case. It will ignore the case sensitive and it will print whether it is uppercase or lowercase, whatever it will get that word, guys. Right? If you give like this, right, case sensitive must be followed. Right? If you want ignore the case sensitive, just we need to give -y. Guys. Right, guys. Yes, tell me in real time where we will use this grep command, guys. In real time, where we will use this grep command. See, guys. Right, we have one application. Observe carefully, guys. Right, guys. So this is my AWS cloud. AWS cloud. Inside this AWS cloud, I have created one Linux virtual machine. in AWS cloud. Linux VM. Right, and here I have installed one server. Right, one web server I have installed it here, like Tomcat something. I have installed it here. Right, guys, in this Tomcat server I have deployed one application. Guys. Now my application is running. Right, see, multiple requests are coming to this application. So many requests are coming to this application from different locations. And from different locations, requests are coming to this application. Guys. Right now here, we will maintain some log files. Guys. Log files are compulsory. If any developers are there here, they will get to know what is log files. Right, see what information will be stored inside the log file, guys. Right, what request per day, right, how many requests are coming, right, at what time what request came, whether that request is processed successfully or not, right, if that request is failed, due to which reason that the request is failed, everything will be stored inside the log file. See, so and so this request came, right, this request processing started by this time, right, this request processing is completed this time, right, whether this request processing is completed successfully or this request processing is failed. If it is failed, due to which reason that request processing is failed, everything will be stored inside the log files. Guys. Now I want, like, log files means for every request log will generate. Right, in that case, right, inside the file we will get huge data, guys. Thousands of lines we will get. So in that case, right, to verify particular word in that thousands of lines, line by line, if you want to verify, it is very difficult. Guys. So in that case, we can verify. Right, here I'm feeling, right, I know some null pointer exception is came. Due to some null pointer exception, my request got failed. Right, where that null pointer exception came, right, which reason that null pointer exception came, I need to verify. For that, what I need to do, by using grep command, I will search. See, guys, this log file name is, assume log file name is, I'm taking some log.txt I'm taking. Inside this, logs are available. Now I will write one grep command like this, guys. Grep -i, here I am getting some null pointer exception. Some exception I am getting it here. In which file? Log.txt file. Now what this command will do, right, in this thousands of lines, inside the file thousands of lines are available. Where this exception is available, it will get all those lines and it will print to you. And you can search where you are getting that exception. So in that case, we can use this grep command, guys. Inside the file, we have thousands of the lines. To search a particular word in that thousands of the lines, it is very difficult. We don't have any GUI at here. Right, we are using line exhibition. We don't have GUI. Right, Control F. Right, search for that word. We don't have that kind of GUI in Linux, guys. Right, everything we need to do by using commands only. Right, for that we have grep command. By using this grep command inside this file, right, where this word is present, we can search. Understood, guys? Where we will use? Is it clear? Right, log files will be generated in the company. Inside the log files, in the project, log files will be generated, guys. In that log files, right, our request processing information is available. How many requests are came, right, which requests are successfully completed, which requests are failed, if any request got failed, due to which reason that request failed, everything we will get from the log file. Right, if you want search anything in that log file, we will use this grep command. Guys. Right, I'm getting some null pointer exception. Where the null pointer exception is available inside the log file. Right, while which request processing time, this null pointer exception came, I want to search. So in that case, give grep -y null pointer exception file name. Right, you can able to get that information. Understood? Is that clear, guys? Where we will use grep command in real time. Right, to verify that, to search the data inside the log files, we will use this grep command. Okay, so just now we have seen tail command, guys. Tail command. See, guys, observe carefully. Latest data always will be available at the bottom only. Recently generated logs always will be available at the bottom only. I want to see latest logs. Latest logs I want to see. In that case, give tail command. Tail command will print the last 10 lines. Last 10 lines you are getting means what? Latest data only you are getting. Correct or not? By using tail command, inside this log.txt file, last 10 lines you will get or not? We will get. Okay, within that 10 line, whatever the information I am expecting, that information I am not getting. So then add -n and take 20 lines. Last 20 lines you can take and you can search. Still you are not getting your required information, use -n 30 lines. right? But from bottom I need to get the data. Why? Because latest logs always available at the bottom only, not at the top, guys. Understood? In that case, we can use tail command, grep command, all these things. Right? To work with the log files, we will use this grep command, tail command, head command, all these things, guys. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Good. Very good. Now go to here. We'll see how to work, how grep command will work. We'll see, guys. See, right. grep. Right. I want to search for Linux. Linux is my what? Where I want to search f10.txt file. Inside this f10.txt file, where Linux is available, I want to search. See, guys, welcome to Linux classes. That complete line it is printing, and that word, whatever the word we are searching, that word is highlighting. See, in this file, only one time Linux is available. Only one time Linux is available, guys. Same, I want to search DevOps. I want to search DevOps. I want to search. Oh, DevOps is not there. DevOps is not there. It's there, right? But there may be a case sensitive problem. Now here, just to use -i. Just to use -i. See, guys, DevOps is there. DevOps is there. But why earlier it is not printed? Right here, right, grep command is case sensitive command. Same case you need to give, but here you are giving, right, not correct case. You are giving lower cases, but here starting letter is uppercase, right, O is uppercase. That's why it is not printing. How you will ignore the case sensitive? By using -i, we can ignore the case, guys. By using -i, we can ignore the case. Understood, guys? Understood? Right. So now let me, 1 minute, guys. Let me open any file. Cat f10.txt. I'm opening. Okay, here what we have, Linux, Unix. Right. Okay, fine, guys. Let me add some data at here. Cat f10.txt. Right here, Linux is mandatory to attend DevOps and AWS classes. To attend DevOps and AWS classes, Linux is, right, mandatory. Right, next here, Linux is very easy to learn. Very easy to learn. I'm taking like this. Okay. Right now, Control C. Right now, use grep command. Grep -i Linux I am taking. Linux f10.txt. See, guys, inside the f10.txt, Linux is available in multiple places. Multiple places Linux is available. Now we'll see all the lines it will print or not. See, guys, welcome to Linux classes. Linux is mandatory to attend DevOps and AWS classes. Linux is very easy to learn. See, right, in the given file, wherever that word is available, all the lines it is printing. Understood? How grep command is working? How grep command is working? Is it clear? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Here, let me check pwd, present working directory, right, ec2-user. Currently, we are in ec2-user. Inside this ec2-user, how many files are there? We have several files are there. Now, I want to search for one word in present directory. In present working directory, whatever the files are available, in all the files, I want to search for the word, guys. In present working directory, right? So whatever the files are available, in all the files I want to search. In all the files I want to search. Right? See, this Linux word, right? In all these files, wherever we have, I want to print all those lines, guys. How it will work, we'll see. See, guys, grep command, right here, -i, right? I'm using Linux. I'm using, right? In entire working directory, right? Present working directory, we will represent with the star. Star means what? Present working directory. Star means present working directory. Star will represent present working, all the files, guys. In all the files, I want to search for Linux word. See guys, inside f10.txt file, 3 lines are available. Inside, see guys, f10.txt, welcome to Linux classes. f10.txt, Linux is mandatory to attend DevOps and AWS classes. f10.txt, Linux is very easy to learn. Next, inside the f4.txt also we have this Linux. Welcome to Linux classes. Inside f5.txt also we have welcome to Linux classes. In all these 3 files, we have Linux word. In the present working directory, in 3 files we have this word, guys. In present working directory, 3 files we have this word. Okay, is that clear? Understood, guys? Right, very good. Now see, guys, now here what I am going to do, observe carefully, guys, what I am going to do. Here I am going to create one directory, mkdir DevOps I am creating. Right, go to the directory cd DevOps. Right, inside this I am going to create one file, cat sample.txt. Here I am going to write welcome to Linux classes. Here I am writing welcome to Linux classes. Okay, now here Control C. Okay, right. So here I have written Control C, guys. Now where we have taken this, inside the DevOps I have created one file. There we have verified. Okay, fine, guys. Right, now here what I am going to do. Or else at the DevOps doing this. Okay. And here I am going to create one more. Inside the DevOps I am creating one more folder, guys. mkdir AWS I am creating. Let me go to inside AWS cd AWS. Here I am creating one more file. And here I am creating one more file, cat sample1.txt. Right, here also I am writing welcome to Linux classes. I am writing. Okay. See, guys, inside the DevOps I have taken one file. Let's see, 1 minute. Let's come out here. Okay, now pwd. Okay, fine. So here let me check tree DevOps. Else here only I'm going to use tree. Okay, tree command not found. Okay, tree command is not available. So let me install the tree command, guys. Tree module is not available. Let me install the tree module. Sudo install yum tree-y. What we have installed here, EC2-user yum module only, right? Okay, fine, we'll discuss that later. See, guys, now observe carefully here. Right here, if you do ls-l, here what we have, DevOps folder is available. Right, now go to inside DevOps. Inside DevOps, right, do ls-l. Here what we have, AWS folder is available, sample.txt is available. Inside the sample.txt we have Linux word. Right, and again inside this AWS, right, again go to inside the AWS cd AWS. Right, now inside the AWS one more file is available. What is that? ls-l sample1.txt. Right, inside the sample1.txt also we have the Linux session, guys. Linux word is available. Now come out, guys. Come out. Right, now we are in it here. pwd. Okay, here now I want to search Linux word in all the directories and subdirectories also. Right, in all the directories and subdirectories, wherever I have that word, I want to get, guys. Right, we have DevOps directory. Inside the DevOps directory, one file is there, Linux word is there. And inside the DevOps directory, one more folder, AWS is there. Inside the AWS, I have created one more file. There also we have the Linux. inside the directories and subdirectories, wherever that word is available, I want to get that. How we can able to check, guys? How we can able to do that? What is the command we need to use? Simple, guys. We need to use grep command. Grep -i, right? Here -r Linux I am taking. It. -r stands for recursive. -r stands for recursively. I want to search directories and subdirectories. Everywhere I want to search recursively. See, guys, right inside the f4.txt file we have, inside the f5.txt file we have, right inside f10.txt file 3 times we have. See, guys, inside the DevOps folder I have sample.txt file. Inside that file we have the Linux word. Inside the DevOps folder I have AWS subfolder is available. Inside that AWS subfolder sample1.txt file is available. Inside that we have this word Linux word. So by using this -r we can search recursively. Directories and subdirectories everywhere we can search by using this -r. Is this clear, guys? Is it clear? How to search inside the directories and subdirectories everywhere? By using -r. -r stands for recursive. Is this clear, guys? Is it clear why I am using -r? Guys, please respond, guys. Please respond in chat box. Very good. Right, guys. So see, grep command is very important command, guys. In interview they will ask, and real time also frequently used command, guys. Frequently we will use this grep command. Let me add few points about this. To ignore the case sensitive we need to use -i. Okay. Next, guys, to search in all the files, which are available in present working directory, What we need to use, guys? Grep right here -i, ignore case. Right here I am going to give the word, anything you can give word. Right here we need to use star means all the files I need to search. Right, if you want to search recursively, right, to search in present working directory and subdirectories. Right, what is the command we need to use? $grep command we need to use. $grep command -i -r. Right, this word we need to use. With this we can search in directories and subdirectories also. Is this clear, guys? Grep is very important command, guys. In interview compulsory question. In Linux commands, if they ask any question in the sense, definitely they will ask this grep command. Okay, guys. And what we discussed in today's session, guys? And in today's session, right, we discussed cat command, right, tag command we discussed, head command we discussed, right, head with the number of lines we discussed, tail command, tail with the number of lines we discussed, right, wc command, grep command, right, grep command we discussed. Grep command is very important, guys. Okay, fine, guys. For today I'm stopping here. I'm getting a little bit headache, guys. Right, I'm stopping here for today. Right, so please practice this grep command, all these commands, guys. Right, in tomorrow's session we will discuss some more commands, guys. Okay, few more commands we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Please practice all these commands, guys. Practice is very important. If you guys are not practice, right, after 2 days you will forget all these commands. You guys will forget all these commands. Practice is very important, guys. Please practice. Daily practice must be required. Okay. Right. I will share these notes, guys. I will share these notes in our group. Please practice all these commands. Tomorrow we will discuss few more commands. Anyone have any doubts in these commands? All commands are clear. Anyone have any doubts in these commands? Very good. Very good. Please practice, guys. Right, tomorrow we will discuss few more. Thank you, guys. Good night, guys. I will share these notes. Good night, all of you. We will connect tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you.